All right, guys, time for the last football jersey of Series 25 we've got. So, box number 91 out of 100. A lot of big names in this one. Let's see if we can pull one. So, Amanda W., you've got the Titans. Ashok with the 49ers. Brandon F., you've got the Packers, Chiefs, and Vikings. Brian G. with the Bengals. Chris H., you've got the Cowboys. EJ with the Jets. Frank R., you've got the Seahawks. James C. with the Panthers. Jason B. with the Saints. John W., you've got the Broncos, the Cardinals, the Bills, the Browns, Lions, the Texans, the Colts, the Jags, the Eagles, the Chargers, and the Bucks. Joe S. with the Bears and Steelers. Marty with the Falcons. Ray, you've got the Ravens and Redskins. Ryan P. with the Giants. And then Stephen B. with the Rams, Dolphins, and the Patriots. And then Raiders went unsold, and I'll just hang it on to them. All right, box 91. That's what we got here. Dude, we got a Frank Gifford. Dude, that's going to be a New York Giant right there. That is old school. JSA certified. Hall of Fame 77. Nice hit for the Giants. Who's that going to be? Ryan P. That is a nice jersey. So Ryan, congrats, man. We'll get that mailed out to you. So 2 nice jerseys. Finished up with a couple Hall of Famers on the baseball and football. So we'll do another football here coming up in the next couple weeks.